name is Meena. I am studying in 8th class. My topic is material. This is very important topic for the upcoming examination. You see your surroundings such as plastic bottle, wood, etc. are also a material. You write your homework with the help of the pencil or pen. The pencil or pen also a material. Let's come back on our topic. What is material? Different things contain different kind of matter. All these different kind of matter may be called material. The material have two types: synthetic material and natural material. Synthetic material and natural. Natural material. What is natural material? The natural material is occur from the nature. They are called natural material. Such as cotton, jute are occur from nature, so they are called the natural material. What is synthetic material? The synthetic material is obtained from natural material. Why the chemical processes are called the synthetic material. The synthetic material is also known as man-made material. The synthetic material have two types: synthetic plastic and synthetic fibers. Synthetic plastic, synthetic fiber, synthetic fiber. What is the synthetic material? Synthetic plastic. This synthetic plastic is molded into any desired shape. They are called synthetic plastic. This synthetic plastic have two types: thermoplastic and thermosetting plastic. The thermoplastic. In thermoplastic, they are softer on heating and they are reprocessed. They are called thermoplastic, such as polythene, polyvinyl chloride, etc. What is thermosetting plastic? The thermosetting plastic is not softened on heating and they are not reprocessed. They are called thermosetting plastic. For example, bakelite and melamine. What is the difference between thermoplastic and thermosetting plastic? The thermoplastic. In thermoplastic, the polymer have linear structure. In thermosetting plastic, the polymer have not linear structure. In thermoplastic, they are soluble in the organic solvents. In thermosetting plastic, they are insoluble in insoluble in the solvent. What is the polymer? The polymer is made up of two Greek words, poly and mer. Poly means many and mer means part. Is called the polymer. What is the 5R? Reduce, reuse, repair, recover and recycle. There are 5R. The 5R are environmental friendly. What is the common properties of the synthetic material? The plastic is made up of ethylene substance in the presence of high temperature, high pressure and the presence of catalyst. They are called polythene. What is the properties of polythene? Polythene is elastic and tough. Polythene is softer on heating and they are reprocessed. Uses of polythene. Polythene is made up for the pipes transporting of water and other liquids. Polythene is made for the food containers, such as food containers for store the food or water, etc. What is bakelite? Bakelite is a thermosetting plastic. They are very strong and heavy. The bakelite is not softer on heating and they are not reprocessed. What is properties of bakelite? The bakelite is a insulator. Bakelite is a hardened strip. Bakelite is not electricity. Bakelite is not electricity to flow through it. What is the uses of bakelite? For making the fountain pen bodies, for making the combs, for making the gear tires. These uses of the bakelite. What is rayon? Rayon is a silky texture. Rayon is very strong fiber. Rayon is a synthetic polymer fiber. Rayon is made up of cellulose obtained from the wood pulp. Cellulose is mixture for 3 hours of sodium hydroxide. Uses of rayon. First, the rayon is made for manufacturing for the carpet. Rayon is manufacturing for the type code. What is the nylon? Nylon is a synthetic fiber. Nylon is very strong and they are light weighted. Nylon. The properties of nylon. Nylon is a strong fiber. Nylon is wrinkle resistance. Nylon does not absorb the water. Nylon is elastic. Uses of nylon. The nylon is used for the machine part. Nylon is used for the plastic hosiery. Nylon is used for the saris, socks. I make the project. This is a nylon socks, etc. And this is a cotton socks and this is a polyester. Polyester are synthetic fiber and it is made up of petroleum products. They are strong fibers. What is the environmental effect of the plastic? Plastic is not destroyed in 100 to 1000 years. Plastic is when plastic they are produce hydrocarbon gas. They are lot of pollution and they are dangerous for the human beings. Plastic is very effective for the environment. What is the difference between natural material and synthetic material? In light weight, the synthetic material have light weight and the natural material have heavy weight. The wood and cotton jute is a heavy and nylon, rayon, polyester is a light weighted. So my seminar is completed. I am give to you suggestion. Don't take rest after your first victory, because if you fail in second, more lips are waiting to say that your first victory was just a luck. Thank you.